What up, y'all? What's going on? Today's Friday. We back at the track. My boy's taking an all-wheel drive K-hatch down, so see what it does today. Last time, I think it was a TPS broke on it. Something wrong with it, so we're here now to see him run. Let's see. I missed it. They already ran 10.5, so see. Let's get that time down. They're on the staging lanes right now, so try to see if I see them right now. Oh, I see them over there. Y'all is like, I forgot what they called, but they got all these cars going down. Yo, the gas on this thing smells like fucking grape juice. Shit smells crazy. A lot of cars though. That AG from last time, B29 V1, is here also today too, so should be a pretty good day. 7, not bad, not bad, not bad. Second bogged a little bit though. Shit was moving though. What it did? How much? What was the miles per hour? Shit moving. Did a 10.5, 10.7, bogged in second a little bit, but if we do 10.5 at a certain miles, probably gonna kick us out because we need a cage for that.
Give me your crap right here.
Come on, it went at 10. It went at 10.7.
You can't just let off in the 8 and be good with that. No, it's 49. Yeah, 49 is. You're still screwed. It don't matter. You still ran a 1070 with no roll bar.
Look at this pass.
What'd you do? Lift?
No. Oh, this pass, yeah, we lifted.
Yeah, but look at here. You ran a 670.
Yeah, but this was faster pass overall. You guys didn't tell me nothing.
Oh, I can't help it. I can't be in both places.
Oh, I thought. Also, you were supposed to be here the first time.
She didn't catch it.
Ah.
So my question is how the hell do you run a 17 and she says something, but when you ran the 6, she didn't say anything?
My question.
Good help's hard to find, buddy. Yeah, you're gonna slow it down.
I mean, I can slow it down for you.
Well, I can't let you run anymore tonight.
All right.
So 11:49, you need at least a 6-point bar. 11:49 to 10:0 in the 8. Okay. And then you're good 7:49 to 6:50. So all you gotta do is do a 6 point. That's it. Okay.
How fast can I go with a 6 point?
6 point, you can only go to 6:49 in the 8.
What about the quarter?
That will be
990. That'll be 990.
Okay.
980.
And and then you gotta have a cage. Okay. So if you just put a bar in it, you're good to 10 ohms. Okay.
Oh.
So put your 6 point in it, but if you're gonna keep going faster,
Is that running no more? You give me my money back?
yes, cool. Come on, you guys, you know that. You guys make me look bad and I get in trouble because I let you guys slide with shit. This guy here, he shows up with his car every week.
Even this shit, I feel like this shit mad quiet.
Turbo makes it quiet.
But my shit is there too. My shit don't bother. See what this RX-7 does right here.
Like a 19.
I think it's at a 16.
That shit took off.
Hellcat on Hellcat crime right here.
They look quiet.
God damn.
That is 2 stars, dumbass. Still my old. The hybrid. Them launch. On a ball with the trip. Watch when you about to launch, you don't shoot stuff right away on the second down. You wait till the light is turned on.
Oh.
He gonna let him go, watch. And he gonna take off.
That should be it. illegal, bro. How fast this shit says, bro.